All right, so this quick question here that I was asked says that they need us to multiply these two things. So what I'm going to do, anytime you're going to multiply any type of rational expression, you want to try to factor everything as much as possible. So let's look at the left side fraction over here. And I'm going to look at the top portion. I noticed they both have a 4 in common. So I'm going to factor out a 4. And what's left from that would be an x plus 4, because you're basically dividing by this 4 right here. So 4x divided by 4 is x, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now we're going to leave the 7 by itself because there's not much I can do with that. That 9 on top, not much I can do with that. But 8x plus 32, they both have an 8 in common. So I take an 8 out, and this gives me an x plus 4 as a result. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is cancel out what you can. So I'll start off, let's just get rid of our big parenthesis points here. So this x plus 4 will cancel out with this x plus 4. So let me just rewrite my fractions really quick. 4 over 7 times 9 over 8. Now I know that a 4 and an 8 have a 2 in common. They actually have a 4 in common as well. So 4 divided by 4 is a 1. I'm just doing cross cancellation, okay? And 8 divided by 4 is a 2. So let me rewrite my fractions now. I get 1/7 times 9 halves. Once I get that, I can just multiply across. So 1 times 9 is 9. 7 times 2 is 14. And that's already reduced because we did cross cancel early. Okay, if you didn't want to cross cancel, so let me say you got to this point right here and you said I don't want to cancel things out, so you left it 4 over 7 times 9 over 8. You could have just multiplied straight across, and that would have been 36 over 56. Okay, so you could have done that, and that would not have been a problem. But the thing is, you would have to still reduce it. Okay, you'd have to reduce it. So if you reduce this number by 4, 36 divided by 4 over 4, that would be the best number. You'd get 9 over 14, which would be the same answer. So hopefully that helps you out, and just keep sending them, guys.